fucking parts store and shit. We're almost there. It's like right up there. Yeah. Going in fucking there. Paint.
Oh, you're gonna spray paint.
I'm not gonna freaking brush it on.
Then you definitely, we need to get tape.
I have tape.
You have painter's tape?
Yeah.
Or masking tape?
I think so, somewhere. So what do you think? Purple? Pearlescent?
That actually might look kind of cool.
I will find the color in a second here. What we need is... Where is it? We need like a freaking...
Sanding paper's over here. Which we also need.
Yes.
You already have an attachment, don't you?
Probably get one.
Like the silicone pads.
Yeah, but that's for like rotary. I don't have one of those.
You have an itty bitty one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
I don't need to go. I feel like,
We need this, just not that.
yeah. That's not what I'm looking for. I am looking for... I'm not seeing it. Art supplies acquired. Are you excited?
Yes. Very much.
Think it's gonna turn out good?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm not much of a fucking painter, but I'm sure we can figure it out. Now we have to go acquire caffeinated beverages.
North Carolina 24 West, then turn right onto North Carolina 24 West.
We had our Marine Corps ball, and we barely drank, and I still feel hungover from 2 days ago.
I thought I was the only crazy one.
Stuff sucks, man. Getting old is not fun.
I'm pulling up. Because what are they gonna do? Yell at me?
Pulling up. About to pop out.
About to.
About to show them what's up.
About to.
Yeah?
Yo.
You like that? Oh, dang. Let them have 168 horsepower of Fury. Yep.
That was very
That's right. The old K Series Honda Accord is showing them what's up. I need to fucking get this shit out of the package first. So priority number 0.
We have scissors inside.
I have scissors right in front of my face. I'm on that. Life could be dangerous.
Okay.
Done. See? Easy as that. I think this one would probably be the best bet. I don't really need anything crazy. So, do the easy one first because it won't take that much time. These other ones, I don't want to break shit, so I'm not going to take my time. of like this shift boot and I don't want to mess it up. So I think I'm going to take it out and then go from there. To the exciting part of sanding it until okay, so not really like it's probably some method that somebody knows better and that knows what they're doing, but I'm just sending it because it'd be fun. Okay, so it's all prepped. Freaking got it all sanded down. Got the paint came off like instantly on that. How many times do you say you did it? Like 3 or 4 swipes and it was off. So it was definitely due for another painted coat. And now I guess this is the time. We're going with flat black, and then we're gonna throw some flat clear on top of it, and it should turn out pretty good. Let's see. I'll hand this over to you, and I guess this is where we spray it, huh? It's kind of nerve-wracking because I don't really know what I'm doing. How long do we have to wait for this to dry? Dries in 20 minutes, handle in an hour, apply additional coats in 2 hours. Cool. The most important.
Oh my god. Let it dry for 20 minutes and then we can see where it's at.
Yeah, there's just little spots I wanted to get before I freaking...
Because that's a lot of paint, so it's going to take a while to dry.
I mean, this stuff looks like it's already dried up pretty quick already. I'm not...
You didn't put as much on these.
Oh yeah, for sure. There's a lot here, but my main thought was like, I want to put a decent amount down because this is like a high contact area right in the middle of the car.
Yeah.
But otherwise, I think it's turning out pretty good.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
I think it's gonna look really sick in the car for sure.
For sure. So let's wait.
Lunch break?
Yeah, lunch break. Take like an hour. Watch some TV, watch some YouTube, and then come back, hit it with another coat. Wait another hour, and then we'll hit it with some clear, and it'll be ready to go. I think it's ready to fit. Put it in the car after that clear dries, and I'd say it'd be a successful day freaking on my art project in my car.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been pretty simple. I mean, everything's been pretty easy. Just a little scratch scuff spray, slap it in there, and good to go. It'd be empty. We used all the black on it, and it turned out pretty good, not gonna lie. It's been drying for a couple hours now, and there's still some spots that I wish I could have probably had some more paint, like right up in that area, but you can't really tell. I think once I slap some fucking clear on this shit, it'll turn out pretty good. And then once that dries, then it's kind of put it back. See how it looks all together. them on.
I turned it on.
There we go.
Okay.
So they're done. It's been freaking all day, as you can see, because it's dark out now, and it was not dark out earlier. But I think they turned out pretty good. The only little spot that we messed up was right there, but I don't think you're gonna notice that. There was a little hair, and I tried to get it out, and then I just messed up the paint, so it's whatever. Now I have to freaking reassemble everything and put everything back how it was. So, yeah, that'll be fun. So coming up here, some things that I forgot to record a video for. I painted a few other parts and got some new parts. So here you'll see I actually ended up painting the interior speaker grills in the center part, and that's how that turned out. I got a new grill. That's how that turned out. I got a front lip and some rear spats, primered it, did it all proper, paint matched it, and there it is on the car, looking pretty good. Reattach, back to the video. Put back together. Time to go slide it in the car. Oh, jeez, camera. The easy ones first. Make sure I don't forget which side I'm past. Very straightforward. Right side. Like that. All done. Now it's not perfect. There's definitely some little spots like there that could have been a little bit better. But like it's not a perfect match with this either. But overall, from what it was before, I'd say it's a definite improvement over how it was before. Click down all the way. But yeah, that's been the fucking painting experience for today, and now it's time to go to bed because it's like 8 o'clock and I'm old. So yeah, that's it.